Let us handle your tax preparation, financial planning, accounting. Our specialization: tax preparation services for business, individuals, accounting and tax resolution. In this presentation, you will learn how you can payment to IRS. Visit https://www.irs.gov/payments/direct-pay. Select appropriate reasons for payment based on reason for section. You can see options here. Select an appropriate apply payment to based on payment application. You can see option here. Select an appropriate tax period for payment. Select continue for next step. Select confirm continue. Congratulations, you have completed step 1. After confirmation you will be in step 2. In step 2, you need enter your personal information to verify your identity. Select a tax year and filing status. This is continuation of above previous slide. Enter first name, last name, SSN etc. as shown. This is continuation of above previous slide. Enter DOB, your address as per tax return except the Privacy Act and Paperwork Reduction Act. Choose continue. You completed step 2. In step 3, you need to enter payment amount, date of payment. This is continuation of the previous screen. In this screen you need to routing number, account number and account type. Enter your email ID to receive payment confirmation. Double check correctness of email ID. In this email ID you will payment confirmation. Select continue to proceed for payment confirmation. At Shore Financial and Tax Services LLC, our team of skilled professionals, consisting of licensed and experienced tax consultants, truly believe that each business should receive individualized attention. It is our passion to help your business grow and flourish because we understand that the relationship between an accountant and their client is truly symbiotic.